uyabona isiphali mina nami ngumahlango bafethu biological biological
Hlangu.
itama lami uJabu Mahlangu I think niyamazi beka ku ACs that's my biological father
Hawu.
but manje ngoba iole lami lishato kaSiphali
Oh.
ngavele la ngithatha ngidlala icareer yami yonke mina ngiwazi umuthi ngicela ukubona ku Cosmos mina
Siyenza lapha.
Bakudelela ngapha babheke nebhodi ncane.
nebhodi bathi lesilanda lesi
Yeah. Plaza amacaco
Yeah,
kuyasithi. I mean team yabo
yazi
yabelungu.
kunabobanda uBradley Canel kuno Lovers kuno Peter Gordon kuno
Yeah, all that generation
kuno Steve
leyi.
Barker ukuthi udlala ku Vets ngapha ingamla ziyamncane
Ziyamncane.
simphelene ekhaya phela uLovers washima za 626 estradini freeway aychayisile size ejimini waychayiswa ishiya la bambayileni bebemncanywa
Yeah no ngiyakuthola vele nami
ngoba
ngabengeza.
bakakhuphuka phela uLovers
Yeah no.
Yeah.
no mamela
Yeah, leyawuthi and
Mamela.
bakafita strong and yeah, ne
Power.
power. Yeah, no.
power running mfethu tackle wakhe beka strong
Shakuzwakala yeah. Sanibonani ma South Africa mahle. This is Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis and I'm your host Jabu Mahlangu. It's a new year, it's a new show here too with a guest here to Grootman to introduce later on a legend of the game. Played for Wits University, played for Jomo Cosmos, and later go career ke wa retire ku Winners Park. But before si introduce Grootman yami ngincanywa kakhulu nayo yangincanya ngisaseyintwana. Ithi introduce out yami niyaza ngivaye ngiyi1 ngiphethe isikhokho sami esikhokhelwayo knowledge.
Javas kunjani ntwana?
Ngiyabona ushaya ikhathi, ngoshayile ikhathi ntwana hayi.
Wow batshela ngekhathi ntwana abangiboni ngidosi.
Yeah no mara nyasho ukuthi hayi no ntwana uyashisa.
Manje bakhalile kungibona.
Otherwise friend boy.
Mnandi ntwana wena.
Hayi it's been a while ntwana.
Asiphethe Grootman mfethu namhlanje.
Yeah.
Legendary.
Yeah.
Awuzomintroduce mfethu nami let me greet ama GMDS amahle it's Busiso sense of knowledge. Mahlangu, your co-host on Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Ngithi lochani.
Sithokoze. Bafethu ithi singamoshi isikhathi sizoringa ngediski. So ringa ngeGrootman, siringe na ngediski generally. Ithi ngi-introduce bafethu siphethe namhlanje uSipho Clint Siphadi. Grootman esikena ukuthi spaghetti. Grootman yami.
Mshablana
Siyabonga mfethu ukuthi usofikile ku GMDS. Otherwise Ukraine.
no ngitop mfana ngitop Jabulani ngiyabonga mfethu ukuthi ningi-invite nge first show yenu ya ka 2026 I am very happy to be here bafethu
Thank you Grootman. Mase si shy icebreaker ne. Yeah, sicale nje kahle. Grootman yami. I mean career yakho udlale from 1994 ne?
Yeah.
Qale 94 until 2009.
Yeah.
So kahle udlale boma 15 years straight consistently. During that era mfethu phela amajita bewa famous uyakena ifame bini ubabhayizisa bangabi consistent but when uyibambe kanjani Grootman 15 years jo proper so consistent ayenzeki nanoma ubani Grootman
true.
ayenzeki that thing it's very demanding ukuthi ungayibamba for 15 years kambe kanjani Grootman
intwana
secret yakho bekuyini mfethu
i-disc mfana it's a very tough game
Yeah.
nawe niyazi usense uyazi ziyabuya
yeah
so sometimes discipline it helps you ukuthi you know what if you want to prolong your career kumele uziphathe kahle mfethu kumele uziphathe kahle mina nami ngicela ngiyintwana njengani kuVets ngidlala namaGrootman mina ngidlala namaGrootman akhulu abo Black Sunday mangifika kuVets ngithola abo Black Sunday abo Jazzy Queen amaGrootman no Max bengidlala naye Max mafa basabazo retire mara
yeah
ngidla ngiyabona namaGrootman
Yeah.
yiwo amaGrootman bewengitshela Sipho Skonde
Hey,
yibo bebengihlalisa
Basikwezi.
phansi ukuthi ndoda mfethu la ufuna ukuba mnandi eziphathe kahle ntwanami training uziphathe kahle iphuma into eningi uzoba mnandi and mina into engisebenzele honestly speaking if bengasiya ama-injury I could have gone maybe either far away
Oh, yes.
but manje bengine problem amadolo man shavule
bebakuthela
I understand bangicala esquadini under 23 bengisola bothabo ngithi uthabo i-outcome ngithi angidla bothabo boBruce bamqali ingathi ngicedwa yimi
Yeah.
wangilimala esquadini mara kuVets angilimali
esa
njalo manje ku national team mfit qo
and that's why ungakhonanga ukudlala
yeah exactly that's why nakusina national team angikhonanga nokuya because hey bengilimala la mfethu on a serious note
but azange ukuyobona ihenqe because phela singabantu abamnyama futhi man and uyazi makuba nento eziso abantu abadala babakhona ukuthi indoda hayi awuhlakanipha siye sothi siyohlola siyobona nje ukuthi kwenzakalani
yazi iflop wena Mshavilana mina ngikhule neoleli lami ithama lami well yabona isiphali mina nami ngumahlango bafethu biological biological ngumahlango ithama lami uJabu Mahlangu I think niyamazi beka ku ACs that's my biological father but manje ngoba ioleli lami lishato kaSiphali ngavela la ngithatha ngoba mina ithama lami belingacavi yazi ezinye izinto ngithi sizithola late ngithola senginabo ma 1918 ukuthi nangu baba khona ngithola ithama lami
mfethu ungadluli lapho uthi ithama lakho belenzani ku ACC
bekuyi team manager with Bank ACs
uJabu Mahlangu oh phela mina ithama lami owner ACs uveli
bebesona uveli mina ngike ngaya phela before ngisayina ku Wits bengitrayela ku ACs no Brian Baloyi
no Spider
uSpider beka nami ngida so manje into engibhayisela ukuthi bacanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ithama lami lethi ingcosi yayo yabona
kwabana
nje 2 days ngada yazini out la mina
because manje
uSpider naye out kanti uSpider uzosayina ku Chiefs 2 weeks later nami ngisayina ku Wits
manje wena sorry kanje wena ubabakho wena bawayibonga ngitshela ukuthi ubabakho bekuyi owner yeACs
uveli
mara hey siboyazi namhlanje nangu uhlanga uhleli la
ithama lami legrot babomkhulu wami ibrother yethama lami
okay
uveli ke mina nethama lami bebeso
hey
so
amandebele baloko bathi amandebele kanti nidlala ibhola nidlala ngabopule nidlala ngabosiphari nabo Mahlangu madoda as represent and represent
biological
hey because uyakhumbula sizobuya kulento yaka olady nesipho njoba bewusafuna explain mangibuza ukuthi azange ugcine uyochecka bosa explain sangena because that usense ulethe na enye into interesting uyakhumbula sense masiya kwaNdebele ngaleya formations Chiefs Sundowns Legends and Nandi Pirates
remember
Joe when I met abo Mahlangu lapha yana actually I met inkosana yazi bathini Joe yazi bathi thina besingazi ukuthi uMahlangu if besazi uMahlangu ngalesa sikhathi athi bathi kimi wena kube urich kube una yonke into wena athi inkosi yamara ezinye izinto elifini mara yazi and ama time amfiti nami same thing upule umama phela uMahlangu ushadile ngamaHlangu ukuthi lento yabo ukuthi bangeke ngaqhubeka ngophu so hey ngizobacolela ngoba
abantu abadala mfethu bebenemfihla
that's
imfihlo ziphuma late and ngapi ole lami lishade kwaSiphali uyasaba ukuthi uSiphali uzothini mangithatha lengilongisa leyo uyangithola ezinye izinto lezi yazi account mfethu ezikhawatha thina
so sika bosasho yes already azange
iole lami lishade kwaSiphali sharp iole lami ke lispana overseas mina sengimnandi manje ngidlala ku Wits ngintwana ole lami thole contract lo spana eDubai livaye ke sekusele bani ngetime ithama lami yimi uSiphali uye ke lokhu busy uyangisa le akazazi lezi zinto lezi akusumuntu walezi zinto ngithola so enye into engikhawathile nami ukuthi ngiyofesenteri indaba zokuthi ngicheck ukuthi kwambani abantu besonto edladleni ngiyalimala ngenza ifokoli ithama lami gcina libhodo uSiphali sengisele nobani nezintwana zami oleli lisesangala yimi engikhulisa ifamily uyangithola so ngidlala icareer yami yonke mina ngiwazi umuthi ngicela ukubona ku Cosmos mina
siyenza lapha
uyangithola
no ngiyakuthola sana
ngicela ukubona ku Cosmos lento ukuthi kuyagezwa
so manje sika ke mase singena manje indabeni wena ke ibackground yakho for ama viewers just family background encane before sizongena ukuthi usport obani ku Wits naleyo movie kuya ku Wits mayicala iprofessional career yakho icale kanjani
yazi kwenzakaleni Mshavilana bengidlala ku eGasi kunenye iHotman bathu Nelson Mulevi yedlala ku Pirates uDr ke wayenzela inonsense la eFNB
ayimdukisa
ubaqedile
hayi ayimdukisa balimazile abantu athumdukisa ubaqedile
yadlala that game after the game by Guy Clarence uNelson Mlifi ngomama serious so ihlala kuphi eKasilame Edobs
Yeah.
sharp ingithola ngidlala lapha
Siyathi ngomama.
eKasidustin ngidlala lapha eDustin yangithola engibhizi ngiyabasebenza lapha
Yeah.
ize kimi ithi imamela ntwana ayi manje uyalazi ibhola asiye Bobsol ngidlalele ngisongiyosayina kwa RPM Mines ngizofika lapha utrial nje 2 days nyana bazokusayina leyo nzima khona
Yeah.
nami ngicedile imatric ngemnandi
Oh
sharp.
yes.
Ngithi ayikho into engenzayo already aninanyuke kungisesigela ithi ngivayina ive mangifika la ngiyasayina 2 days ngiyasayina mfethu sharp ngemnandi Bobsoli RPM Mines dlala igame once dlala neHurutsu Stockspits ngene ngimnandi mantende kumele ngihole manje bathi ndoda inyuku yakhe kumele ulanda le emgodini kumele usebenze la i-team ama rules wayo ukuthi kumele ungene ngaphansi emgodini ukuze uhole i-football it's another thing
Emgodini kanjani manje?
underground emayini uyosebenza angithi iklap yemayini mshavilana mfethu yazini
Sika uze nayo ukuthi man hey ngiyaqala ukuyizwa le
Jelivana.
empilweni yami yonke.
Jelivana
Yo.
ngasuka same time mina ithe mabengitshela le nto ngathi hayi no ngiyahamba ngekhaya mina ngeke ngiyosebenza emgodini kodini bathini labadla
Yeah.
yo lamatshe le ngeke ngicocama amabheki
Danedladleni bokulobani yawukhule kulobani anke iHrutman lakho bengifuna naleyo
bengihlala
background.
neintwana zami bengiphila neintwana zami already angithi belingana
Oh, yeah.
so umuntu ebengiphila naye intwana zami ngineintwana ezi4 yimokhroti bese kule uTsepo Sphadi ingilandelayo bese
Yeah.
kuba uKarabo then le incane ile bedlala kuPirates uLisiho Sphadi
Oh yes.
yeah so C4 amajita e4
Amajita
Akunathini.
i4. Akunathikini.
ngathikini
Eh.
sikhulele sigamajita and already belingekho uyabona ukuthi sizikhulele sigamajita nje mara vele ifamily besiphethe kahle
Yeah, then so
so
uyavaya.
ngiyakhuphuka ke
Yeah.
ngithi angeke ngibona
Angeke,
ngibatshela
leyo
ngokubatshela
mgodi
laba
nokufaka amatoshi.
mfethu
Yini, ikokore
ngehle
netoshi
babizane
lapha.
bele ngehle ngale nto le bathi hamba fast le mfethu
Uma chance uthedi iyaxoxa uma chance wakhuluma ngayo nje. Wathi Jona itsama isu. Itsama yasu.
and yama ngesinye speed le nto
Yeah, but try. What chance
yashesha ukufika le zansi khohlwa
Yeah.
ngathini yazini
Hayi.
Nelson Mulefe azange ngimtshele
Yeah.
chatha amabhek wami ngagibela ngazekazi
So i-contract bengakubind bengisign or dala.
sayinile i-contract da but azange ngibhayinde
Yeah.
either way ngizokutshela isitory
Yeah.
sakho ukuthi what happened sharp kunenye ke angazi uyamazi uDavid Solopi ke wadlala kuBlack Leopards niyamazi
David.
Sense. uDavid Solopi bekuyidefender
Solopi ngiyamkena.
yaseZambia
Yeah.
bengidlala naye la ku-RPM yena bebesebenza ke bangena emayinini nabo boNelson angiyala sharp ke uDavid Solopi athola i-call up kuVets uthi ndoda awuzotrayela uyangifonela ngisendlini hey ndoda plus bengeke singana nama cellphone ngaleso sikhathi
Landline street, yeah. Yeah.
my man hey hey man I've got a trial at Vets manje angiyazi iJozi mina ngicela uzogxila la kuyo mnandi zwakala uthi yami azwakala vela agibele Monday azwakala afike lapha kimi Tuesday mela ejimini sharp gym Tuesday ngithi ayahlanya ngithatha ibag yami nami ngihamba akazobuya lokuthe kanje
Yeah, no ngiyakuthola.
Yeah,
Yeah,
ngathi
because
hayi.
nawe vele yeah.
Yes,
Ngiyakubamba yeah.
Xoxa mfana ngathi asana yimi engiyazi iJozi ngathi back
Uthini manje mawuphethe?
ngifaka hayi na uyasho ukuthi antwana yavele ngizokukhulumela
Asiye. Yeah, sharp.
ibhola uyalazi ngiyazi
Exactly, yeah.
uyangifrustana
Ngiyamthola, yeah.
naye Mill Park sifika la ngithola abantu uJohn Lathan icoach Skarathintwa iassistant
Yeah.
third assistant kunenye bathi uNoel Chami buye eZambia so uye vele setup le ukuthi
Oh,
uzotrayela ngithi vele
yes.
Zambia
Yeah.
sharp ngene uDavid Solopi ke ya bambizile bayamazi mina ngazi
Wena wazile.
sengiyakhulunyelwa manje uye uSolopi uthi no man hey zamani lo muntu bengidlala naye uRPM umnandi maybe ngisho marathon anazi bafana
Yeah, mzameni.
Nangu uskara afuna ukuyala ndoda athi hey it's not an open trial le sinvite wena uzojima ne first team kuphela hayi Noel Chama athi hayi no mamela yekando umuntu mnikele chance nale ngamni John Layton beke grand
Oh, yeah.
athi hayi no you know what plus we playing a friendly game first team against some trialists no let him dress man let him dress
Yeah, listen.
ngishitsha kanjalo ntwana
Bakudelela ngapha babheke nebhodi
Bakhe
ncane.
nebhodi bathi lesilanda lesi
Yeah. plus amaqaqa
Yeah,
obviously I mean team yabo
yazi kunabobanda kuno-Bradley Canel kuno-Lovers kuno-Peter Gordon
Yeah, all that generation
kuno-Steve
le.
Barker
no Steve Park
Steve Barker udlala i-right back la kuno-Steve Barker kune-Kevin Raffet Rowan Malgu hey mfethu
Yeah.
oBenson Otiti
hey nyamkhumbuza hey wangikhumbuza bo hey yeah
sharp ngena sidlala nabo i-friendly game eMill Park makobani Bradley Canel right wing mina
Yeah.
angiyilena ngiyabatshela ukuthi ngiyangale hayi bangihlalise bench second half bangifaka
Yeah.
sharp ngene angimlanda umlungu ngimlanda angithi uyazi thina
yeah and then
yeah
and then nami umlungu bengikwata kabi vele
Ngimqonda
bangibakho
vele.
umlungu uyaqela nalento yeah
ngalesa sikhathi nami ngisesenaso leso speed inyani sokulanda umuntu
Yeah.
yabo lesi sakho lesukuthi ugijima ngebhola
Yeah.
hayi lesukuthi uliphase space lesi hayi
hayi le
Leso
yeah
gijima
lelo gijima ngebhola yeah
hayi ngimdunusisa uBradley bona mamela mfana after game 30 minutes I think ngidlale 30 minutes after game bangibiza bathi indoda ize gym kusasa izani noyithu no David
yeah
gym Tuesday Wednesday Thursday Friday no Wednesday Thursday bathi indoda ambulance clearance yakusexana
jo
ngitshela
yo
gym Monday Tuesday Wednesday Thursday bathi ambulance clearance yakho ikuphi ngathi ayise Bobsol bathi ayilande manje sukusayina siyakufuna
Siyakuthatha.
Friday kudlalwa neSwallows
sebakufuna vele
bangifuna
phakathi
ecamping
yeah sebakufuna ecampini manje
yazini ngithi Bobsol Thursday morning ngilani mangifika la ngithi hey bafethu mina ngiyodlala ivarsity football ngevarsity ayikho into engizoyenza angeke ngisebenze
Ngishaya
ngishaya iskeleme
Isayini.
but hayi no thatha into yakho ngespeed angihlalanga na 30 minutes
ewenenhlanhla ke futhi nalapho
amfana fucked
Yeah.
up ayithatha fast gibela itaxi ngabuya ngaye eMill Park jinywa ngo5 plus ingane besijima late
ntambama yeah
ngoba izinye zibhabe sisebenza bo Steve Barker bekuyisotsha phela umuntu ubuye kusotsha uzaye esibhaza sebenza uyangithola angena ke hayi sharp night clearance am after training night clearance am hey ngene la ayi yazi into zakudala mfana sesasayina khona phi salary 5 clip angisanandaba senze ngifuna ukudlala mina
eish
ngiwani ithama likho
yeah
olela likho
eish ndoda
ngiwani ngiwani
endebheka nale opportunity ukuthi uzicreatele ngenye indlela
Uzicreatele.
mfethu noNkulunkulu obvious ngokuletha
Uyangithola.
lomjita ukuthi indoda ngicela
if bengasile amjita lo
eish
ngabe
sipho mfethu
ngabe zange ngadlala disc maybe ku PSL
sure
no one knows uyangithola ngena kanjalo ke mina ku Vets
hey
Friday ngiyadlala starting lineup ngomama na starting lineup Friday
So mara mawufika la wena Sipho just nje singayirush u94
yeah 1994
isikhathi sabo yavotwa ecountry iya change ikhaya
oh konje sisi
konje bekuyini beyi 94 ama elections
ama elections oqala yeah
oqala
yeah so
Yeah.
iVets vele it's a team yamangala
ingamla
so ngifuna ukwazi nje ukuthi mawufika wena weren't you intimidated by the environment yamangamla
yes.
and as players bekunjani nje benikhona ukumixa or bekune group yabo Daki ne group yamangamla benithithana kanjani nje lapha
mfana mangifika mina beku
bekubonakala vele
yeah bekubonakala ukuthi vele la kunenkinga ingame besichange plus eMill Park uyayazi la dressing room
Yeah.
kunale mawungena ngala kune dressing room ngayi then amashower then kuba
bese kuba nalenye yeah
manje thina bodaki besingala ingame besichange ngala ngovare uzothola ukuthi ngara yimi uBenson Otiti uLavas
uLavas.
Junaid Hadley singara abodaki no Opa Masinya khona enyas Alexander no Bethel Majake no Ace Match mase abodaki mase buma 8-9 mara besihlala endaweni esite ndethu besingachange na
mara musi
Varlek.
mara egamini just benicombine kamnandi
Gaming simnandi,
yeah that's why
siyalwelana.
manje ngiyangidida ukuthi
siyalelana egaming mara dressing room besishintsha kanjalo
and socialize together
Hayi.
next
No after game yazi ingami ne abanye abantu ingami after game yiyo phela yibo basifundisa nokuphuza utshwala ingami labafethu
yeah
after game bazothi hayi ndoda everybody masiceda sicela ukuyohlala ebar sithole 3 nyana bazokuthengela mfethu awusebenzisi nemali yakho
Yeah.
bathi hayi bambani 3 nyana phuza into yakho mfethu masiceda satisfy i team spirit kodwa ingami zinayo
Yeah, because
on and off the field bona bayiphethe
oh yeah.
kuthi nje kuse dressing room
It's just that bekunene nto
yeah and manje
ukuthi
vaya lento sensakhuluma ngayo
Akhuluma
ukuthi
ngayo.
bekuse ama elections and uyabona kusuka la kuyiwa la
Yeah.
sekuya change bese bebenayo mara mina le out le besicoach uJonathan uye bayangayifunda le langamla no mamela uyabeka bonakala ukuthi is not from South Africa bekabuya uma Australia
oh
bengazwani na idea
yeah.
mina phela bengilala nengami le campaign uRowan Malgu
Yeah.
ngikila naye
mara ni sharp.
si sharp nengami la mara angikhoni kulala ulala ngeaircon ubusuku bonke bemuntu hayi
Mara si-
hayi ngicine ngicomplain aircon ubusuku bonke angathi yazazi ingami la ziyasha mfethu
No recovery. Manje ngilakhiso.
mina ngicine ngicomplain ngithi hayi mina ngeke ngilala ngeaircon ubusuku bonke ngicine sengitshela usikara ngilanda usikara ngithi hayi futhi manje
Kangilimaza lo muntu.
hayi lo muntu angibulala mfethu mina mina ngilala ngisifihlile nje ubusuku bonke hayi no
Ayisanje cabanga
mshafana
the only way to survive ukuphumezele.
and phela lebona iskin sabo uyasaza ngasinjani abantu labo so ukushisa abazwani
Mani yami.
abazwani nokushisa mfethu balala ngeaircon mina mfethu ngilale na diamond 1 month ngahlangana manje ngolala nalihlanyu lavas angazilalela no lavas
Bekanjani ulavasi yena ke nje?
beyihlanyela le nto lavas bekuyintwana encane yazi
And
nice boy
bekujethu.
good player Jethro
And
Mhlanga
bekujethu.
yeah he was
Yeah.
a nice boy good boy mara ulavas mfethu ngathi angazi ngayibeka kanjani yazi ulavas mfethu kunezinto bezimphazamisa in life at that time uyabona nefame yamthatha ukuthi udlala kuVets ngapha ingamla ziyamncane simpele nekha phela ulavas washima as the 626 estradini freeway aychayisile size ejimini waychayisa wayishiya la bambayilenge bebemncanywa
Yeah no ngiyakuthola vele nami
ngoba
ngabengeza.
bakakhubuka phela ulavas
Yeah no.
no mamela
Yeah leyawuthi and bakafita
Mamela.
strong and yeah ne
Power.
power. Yeah no.
power running mfethu tackle wakhe beka strong lampana
Shawuzwakala, yeah.
so ingane bezimncanywe
Yeah.
lovers bampromote from development eVets so
Oh,
bemthanda
bemthanda, yeah.
bemthanda mfethu athandwa from lezansi uyangithola so but yena izinto zempilo bezimphazamisa ubobona ukuthi nje nayi guidance nje yamshaya so nenyuku emosha ngapha ne yabona
Bekanzima ngesitoko.
uyangithola
Hayi,
yes
besimbona
Angithi
ngintwana.
manje nami masengisana
Yeah.
masengisana kuVets nami
Yeah.
bekanokufika ulava sidlala phela ku Mill Park thina bezidlala ngama Friday
Yeah
Afike-
ngiyakhumbula at that time
at that
yes.
time besingadlali ngama weekend sidlala weekend madlala away
Away.
mara am home game Friday
Friday.
night lava Thursday ndoda siyadlala kusasa akukhenjwa la
Hlangana ekseni ngelanga le.
ekseni ngelanga le game
Yo ayibe ngingilungela.
Thursday night angithi lava hayi baba ngiyalala mina ngiyalala mina lava angingeni uyazi naye uyazi bengimtshela straight ukuthi mina ngiyadlala kusasa ngivayo
Yeah.
lezi zinyo izinto zanginceda mina nginayo lo discipline
Ukhona ukuthi hayi
ngithi
yeah.
uyangithola
Yeah.
ngithi
So mara your memories, your great memories ke kuVets masizochubeka siye ngale mase sisiya ku kulwe sesizoya ku Cosmos. Who was your best friend kuVets and if you can share your like ama memories vele engeke nje wakhohlwe good and funny and bad.
yeah my best friend kuVets bekuyiyo lengamlo Rowan Malgu I think I dealt with him very well sigcine sabangani vele good memories phela kuVets sawina I think 95 sawina ama cup ay2 PP Top 8 ne Coca-Cola Bradley Canela Shaw Brian Baloyi nga2
Oh, ngikhumbula lento ngisasintwana mara yayi remember ukuthi Bradley yawo kashathu goals.
Kashathu goals,
Yeah,
yeah.
yes.
then
yes.
enye si uBenson Otiti Shy Pirates eOrlando FNB 1-0
Yeah.
nada game bengikhona
Yes.
so ngawina ama cup ay2 noVets lapho ke but I think we had a good team iVets ingamla bekungena abantu aba special kangako lapha kuVets mara bezispanelana yithi nje bebemnandi yimi uJunet Lovers nawo Otiti ke no Bradley Canel nayo yakwazi ukukhuphula intwana nayo ngoba baphethe lento yakhe speed yangithola
Yeah, naye bekamnandi shem.
so we had a good team I don't want to lie we could match and iSundowns Chiefs ngalezo nkathi bephethe ama player mfethu
yo beyibophile bebabophile vele
mara besibadla ngeveti
yeah
lo Steve Parker ebeyilwanela socha
manje in fact okay then you funny moments or bad moments ke mhlambe sike zayenzeka
kuveti
kuvets
ntwana yazi labantu laba mfana yabona ngama pre-season ingamla mfana ezinye izinto yazi ngoba sozikhuluma la eshowini yakho
hayi mawungaqhamba singekho saziyeka hayi mawungekho grand ngazo saziyeka and then mhlambe ngingabuza ke before mhlambe usenza azongena
wait ngifuna net lapho remember there's one thing about
there's one
thing about the podcasting ne
yeah
journalism I suffer telling your stories
yeah sure
dala bekubhala bohlala ne journalist likubuze liyobhala phansi but now you've got a chance to tell your story the way usifuna ngakhona and also to educate abanye abantu with what was happening kuze iPSL ibe the way it is today it is because of people like you you paved the way people must know ukuthi what happened kuze kube so today so amelanga usabe to tell your story mfana ukuthi kwenzakala it's your story at the end of the day
no definitely
whatever you say it's your story mfana so hlala lana for the next 100 years
yeah I think phumena so
knowledge
ngichache
mfethu
umthetho umntolo
yabona knowledge yakhe that's why we sense of knowledge
yeah no serious bengithi ngifanga yazi mfana the bad memory I had yabona Eddie Lewis ne
yeah
they soul rest in peace yeah because mina mangizovaka kuvethu uJohn Layton baye bamxosha basayina Eddie Lewis as head coach yeah head coach manje ke uEddie Lewis beka racist mfethu ngeke ngifake he was one of the racist coaches I've ever played for Eddie Lewis indoda bekabiza bodaki ama pricks egroundini
yo
abodaki
yo
so mina dayile ngayilwisa no Lovers kuze uLovers savana
uthini lo gama
mfana itotoloza ibiza ngetotoloza lo
mara serious bro
nje standard
and that time Eddie Lewis is a legend a South African
and
legend
is
well respected
number one coach at that time
South
Africa phela abo governance bekangangeni abo head coach la abo Eddie Lewis abo Mike Makapu
yo leyo generation
yeah kilo generation
abo Mike Makapu
yangithola yo wethu dayide ngangiphatha mina ngayiboycotta Emil Park okay sharp sidlala ne Black Leopards evenda masibuya ngihleli nenye journalist konje ngikhohliwe la uthile la uthi ngitshela mfethu into ezenzakala kuVets yabona and iyangishaya ile ngoba manje la uthile kanti schemes ka Eddie Lewis ijournalist udaki ischeme side ukuthi ngikhohliwe atshela uEdis yonke into bengimcocela nebhasini masibuye
yo ucima umlilo ngepetrol
ngangifrustana angina stress mina noma ngamtshela vele bengenandaba ngoba kuyinto engiyifila ukuthi wrong sharp masibuya Mill Park Monday morning siyajima sidlala Saturday ne Black Leopards Monday siyajima biza meeting akujinywa ngiyezwa bathi kunama player angangifuni la in what Eddie
bani
bangafuna ukudlalela le team ayi sukuma isandla sakho uphuma uhambe angasukuma number 1
waphuma wabayi
angabatshela straight uthi mina angifuni ukudlalela wena iVets ngiyancane angifuni ukudlalela wena because you are racist
wamtshela emehlweni
99 bamkwa wonke umuntu Lovers wasukuma Junaid Hatlo wasukuma saphuma savaya savaya serious ubabuze nabo mawuthola chance ukuthi mhlawumbe saphuma uLovers usayina ku Sundowns kanjalo usayina ku Cosmos kanjalo namba kanjalo mina bani boss yethu uRonnie Slosh ground manager ePSL manje uRonnie Slosh uyu machuzo uyesiphethe beyiphethe uRonnie iVets uRonnie Slosh uRonnie Slosh yangincanya akafuni ngivaye ngithi angilone ke mara mina la uthi ngeke ngidlalele because naye ama reason uracist lo muntu lo utreat abodaki blind thina ka street blind ngoba siyadlala uyangithola intwana mara siyadlala lezi ezingadlali mamela yazibuyi mfana awuziphatha kabi manje sina siyabalwela ngoba siyadlala
ngiyakuthola vele which it makes sense vele nina amadlanyana
ngoba siyadlala
noma ngadlali noma anganifuni mara
ngakama choice
niyasipana
yithi abatheshela iVets going forward siyasebenza baba ama goals bawathola ngathi uyangithola injalo wena Shavudi, one of the bad memories I had
Yeah.
about Wits University. I didn't want to say it, but mamela into yakudala vele ikhona kimi yenzakele, so I'm not afraid or ashamed to mention it.
Even
Yenzakele.
even no lovers angakufakaza.
Angifakazela.
Yeah.
So
Straight.
nambe kanjalo vele now suya
Sharp ke manje iSundowns seyifuna ukubhayi lovers. Braston coach ku Sundowns.
oh yeah okay
Yeah, ngayisikhathi sepiano.
Yeah.
Unospiela.
yeah
Sharp basayina lovers. Angikatholi team. Ngiyakuchize mina kucala. Mangifika le ngithola bani uDoleza.
ufikile lapha na
Yeah. Ngifikile la. Mangisuka kuVets ngilo ngitoyitoya kanje. uBrake uyangifuna ufuna ukungisayina. Sharp uBrake yazi ngimrespect ngani. Bekathanda amacoach wakhe ngeke athathe i-decision athi ngoba le ntwana ngiyibonile inswemu ngizoyisa athi hayi nangu umuntu umela kusayina uDoleza yazi uDoleza wathini athi hayi ndoda isilende singaka
yes no I can but yazi singifuna angifuni
man, you must
ukumdisturb
go in-
but I can relate
it's going eat man
yeah
mangithi mara ngibheka uThabo uTsikitsiki la
and then
uTsikitsiki
yeah
futhi ngiyamdlula nyana nongomzimba uThabo uyintsetsarapana so ngidlala phela nawe uThabo ku national team
Yeah.
sisonke ithona nangu uthini lo muntu lo kushuta kangazi lo Doleza
kahle.
kahle kangazi so umuntu bekangifuna uBrake
yeah
so lo akangazi angavela ngathi yazini thingemiyeka angijimani nokujima
yo
ngifike ngakhuluma noBrake uBrake wangithumela e-office kaDoleza uDoleza wangitshela lento angitshelayo ngaphuma ngami
yazi before
angangena ekareni yami ngashaya imoto ngahambi
So,
ngathi yazini
yeah.
seseyintwana
yeah before sesizongena vele sesiya ukuthi uya kanjani ku Cosmos uDoleza mangizopromote mina ne ukuthi I can relate to usika lento ayikhulumayo mina wathi kimi uBraston bekasase director of coaches mina phela ifriendly igame eyangipromote ngazipromote ngenkani because bekuthathwa ama player ayi4 from good development era yakhumbula
Ngiyakhumbula i-team
Yodlala
leyo.
friendly
Yeah.
ba edwe nama jita ku first team
First
lawa
team.
ngadlali week in week out nalawa buya kuma injury ngisho so that they must keep fit so bangishiya mina uFaruq wakhetha 4 yamajita but I was not part of that 4
okay
bangishiya mina eMelo Park umahlubi ayi uyamkela umahlubi
Yazi
ukuthi mali ya
uMahlubi,
umahlubi ahlanye plus uyangingile
Yeah.
echana uyazi ukuthi
Yeah.
bayodlala Alexander Stadium and ucoach Doleza uzoba lapha no screamer chana yazi umahlubi wangoorganize transport ngifike kanjalo mina ngifika igame itseyicalile ayi coach nje kufanele ukwatshintsha emehlweni angithi nangu stand lapha yana no Doleza stand
Doleza.
hayabuye kube straight leyo stand vele yalakha sengiza ngithi yangena
yeah
vele
yeah
ngikhatha
yeah
utshela le uthi hey this player hey good player yamazi that hey
ngiyamazi
coach
uBraston.
yeah hey coach me so rest in
Yeah.
peace athi good player utoleza na screamer this player no meat yeah mina wathi no meat
hayi la muntu lo
no yabona bawukhuluma sona
Faith, la
nami
muntu
wathi
lo.
kanjalo wathi no meat sharp it's not about me then ke ngangena wathi uscreamer wayehla uscreamer wathi coach wathi coach for second half akacale ne second half angamosha ngijime kanjalo ne first team andawutoleza ngaya eDurban ke Vodacom challenge
sakajabulile manje uDoleza akasayiboni
mame
lo muntu.
ngimoshile lapha eAlexander bra second half
Ngiyakwazi,
ngimoshi lapha
Ngiyakwazi.
ngimoshe deliberately
Ngiyakwazi,
sharp
ngiyakwazi.
hayi bengithi nje I can relate then Hotman yami so uphumile village Cosmos iza kanjani
Sharp ke ayisengiyaphuma ivillage ngiyavaya
Ukwatile.
nami ukuthi hayi uyawuthile mari yangidelela no meet kanje and ngapha ngidlala ku national team under 23
eish
ngimnandi ngidlala ku under 23 abothaba badlala kudlala mina
eish
abadlali bonke abo Bruce kudlala mina Sharp ngithi ayazini hayi disk man ngangafuni it's fine Cosmos uJomo ufuna uya kuVets ufuna ukungilona ungibonile uJomo vele because I think igame yami ye-string kuVets besidlala iSundowns of HMP bebesadlala
HMP
Mamelodi
Yeah.
Sundowns saphethe bona aboHluphi aboThemba Mnguni abo Henry Mekopa ashaya 2 goals that game uJomo wathi mari wawudlalela ingami la nozuthi udlala bodwa yeah ngiya kanjalo kulona ukuthi ngigura noEddie Lewis otherwise mina I wouldn't have left Vets
oh yeah
ngomama
ngiyathola yeah
ngabe ngahlala kuVets ngadlalela ibig team mangisuka kuVets so ngisuka lapho uJomo uyangilona ku Cosmos ngiya ku Cosmos mara ngeloan
Yeah.
ngeloan kusele boma 6 months isizini iphele ngithi hayi vele ngithathe ngeloan ngoba la
Hayi vele siyasikuthi
ngidlale lapha ngifuni ukuya nami sharp ngiye ku loan Cosmos season mayiphela ngiyavutha ngale naye Cosmos mara sakangishintshile angithi yamazi ubaba wethu Braje ngisadlala uwinga manje angisaceda abantu
so manje
defensive ngithola uvusa imncwango la
oh
ubulala
yeah
abantu
uvusi yes
ubulala abantu uvusa mfethu
ayi plus naye ke
yeah
ile record ne
yeah
bimnandi
rest in peace
yeah no bimnandi langwenya
yeah
biyazi
la baka dribble ground lonke angaziphasa ahamba yi1 uvusi baka buhlungu ngithola yena usaphula la abofosi imwalusi
no Godfrey naye
nomkansi la
yeah
McDonald
McD
yeah marathon man amanga uCrystal indoda egijima ukudlula
Tonatoni
Tonatoni
uthola iCosmos vele iqinile kuno Orla uClifford Mliko
yeah Bradley for bebuphile
uthola lo majita la uzinto
dube ngiyakhumbula hayi
bathola la
hayi le yeah
uyangithola
buphile
so manje uJ angidlali ukudlala abani position yami uvusi ngaka right ukudlala abanye mfethu angikhona ukudlala ngena ngesub njalo
yeah
ngithi hayi isizini mayiphela la ngiyahamba ngibuyela kuVets le uRonnie Slosh ungithembisile sengikhulume noSlosh athi amamela lo ngifuna ukumminyela ukuthi angabi nama results
yeah
so mcosha end of the season
ukumminyela
yeah end of season siyamcosha uyabuya kuVets ngithi sharp as long as Eddie Lewis angekho ngiyabuya mina eteamini le muntu lo uyawina Eddie Lewis mfethu ushaya abantu mfethu
udelay process
abasakhona kumcosha
yeah udelay process manje
Jomo manje season seyiphelile uyeza usakafuna ukungibhaya
yeah
ngapho uBrasten uyangifuna kuSundowns uyeza edladleni lokukhuluma nami in manje sabafuna inyuku iVets ithi funa I think bebafuna ngalezo sikhathi 60-70,000 abona Natasha bafuni ukukhipha inyuku so ibhampa kanjani nedeal yami kuSundowns uJomo uyangithenga ngazi ubashayishaye kanjani yawazi ubujiyela amashaya babambile abelungu
babambile
so gcina angisayina akangibhaya kuVets ngiya kanjalo Cosmos sengisayina 3 season that was my first season I think 1996-7 or 97 kuya phezulu ngisayina kuCosmos
manje setup ngesenjani environment obviously team yabotaki manje
yeah sengicala ngiyabona ke izinto ukuthi kwenzakalani ke kuPSL emaklapini obotaki sengiyabona manje ngiphila nabotaki amajita ingamli 1 lapha beku Hilton Jordan
ngiyamkhumbula Hilton
Hilton udefend uye kuphela abanye abotaki
but manje iorganization the way team be run ngakhona ngapha compared to Wits umehluko boku at that time
there's a big difference ingami namfethi yazi ingami nazi straight honestly speaking makuthiwa kuhlangana nehotel ngo11 kuhlangana ngo11 kwenza izinto zakhona mnandi pre-match meal whatever yonke into straight Cosmos ngibona imhlobo
yazi isanazo mfethu ithi ngukuyeke ngasabu ingena nje ngendaba yeCosmos
manje angisayidli KFC ngenxa yokuCosmos ngibe ngicela ukuyolala ngidli KFC ngibone ngeCosmos kunikwa ama 30 rand na 30 rand isapha naye ibando ngecamping ngekhenjwa manje angisayazi mina icamping ayazi
weekend manje niya camper ecampini mawufika bakugayidate
lakho
street wise
yakulahlela banibeka khona eKFC but nayi yakho
no tabla
usithengela into yakho from there siyaphuma sihamba sehotel solala ngiyagezwa ubuvya seyacala nalento yomuthi angiyazi mina manje
bani
eVets besingayenzi lento le
manje azange uyilwise ngoba amanye amajita la kuChiefs bebanokuyilwisa but babatshele ngeculture wena budila kanjani manje
ngigcine sengaaccepta na ngithi ngibona amajita sengithola abosaphula la bonke bayayenza yabona so manje mina ngizohluka kanjani and sengisayinile akusena kubuyela emuva
hayi sodlalela iCosmos
and ngaleso sikhathi bekuntswemi mamela mangafuna ukudlala bakutshela kahle ukuthi sokufaka efridgini sokubamba for 3 years ungadlala ibhola Clarence sakho siphethe
sibambe
siphethe
keep it
yabona ukuthi kunama threats akufani namanje so bekuyinto enjalo ukuthi amamela hayi mfethu thobela umthetho yenza into yenziwe Rome yenza angiyenza kanjalo nami gcine ngiyazi sengijela namajita well sengiyenza whatever yenza kale clubini mnandi ngajela vele namajita kanjalo
so uyajela la eCosmos namajita things are going well but one thing that we notice as abantu abalandela ibhola is that most of the players that come from Cosmos, they either go to play for bigger teams or they go overseas.
Yes.
Yeah.
But mostly uJomo vele beka export some players kakhulu.
True.
So for when as good as you were, what happened? Because you played longer at Cosmos and you never got the chance to go overseas and play for Chiefs.
Yeah.
What was the problem? Umfana bekakuvalela ngaphandle or
Yeah,
bekakenza nje ukuthi yazini wena wala ekhaya.
mfana mina ngibe nama opportunities abhasense ngiCosmos ukuthi ngiye overseas.
Yeah, because
honestly speaking, uBra J mina I strongly believe ukuthi namhlanje ungivalele ngaphandle.
ukuvalela ngaphandle mhlambe siya ngokuthi beka
Abanye amadili bayangangitsheli. The only deal mina ngangiyazi ngakumele ngiye ku Lecce eItaly. Bangilanda sicethe ukudlala eBethlehem. Silane babiza bekuyi Free State Stars ngaleso sikhathi.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Free State Stars.
Qwaqwa Stars.
Qwaqwa Stars. Yeah, Qwaqwa Stars. Yeah, lebo Bhuneni ongadwa.
Yebo Bhuneni. Yeah.
Sidlala ngiyavutha. Icoach uEdu Luis iQwaqwa Stars ngaleso sikhathi nguCosmos. Ngiyavutha pepe. Akhala uEdu Luis athe ndoda ngintshele ngalo umuntu uzonibulala lo. Sharp after game layout izisekareni. Yona la matharatara le iLecce.
Yeah.
Ile dlala ku Serie A man.
Yeah.
Ngalesikhathi idlala ku Serie B.
Ku Serie B yeah.
Sharp mele ngihambe ke Monday ngibagaya ama video amnyana la nginawo. Ngiyabanika yonke into uJomo Tando ngiyava next week. Yonke into iset. Sharp yimi uNonhleko.
Oh cheaper yeah.
Cheaper. Sharp ke. Next week mele sivayivele. Last game silane Sundowns eLoftus. Ubheke ibhola ukuthi alinanhlanje. Next week siyavaya. Saturday silane Sundowns ebusuku night game eLoftus. Idolo.
Yo.
Cruciate ligament. Twist idolo ngiyi1.
Sika.
Cruciate ligament. Out for a year.
Yes.
Inhleko uhamba uyi1 uyaphesheya.
Yo.
Makazohamba inhleko ahamba yaboma Norway Sweden. Ushiya mina kanjalo ngilimele.
Yo.
Sihleli mfethu year.
Manje mentally
Idili kuphela ngangiyazi mara amanye wayikhona because ngangivutha shavuka.
Yeah, no
ngiyatshela.
Yeah.
Amanye sengizozwa manje after sengihamba nakuphathele sengihleli lapha nobra Ivy uyangitshela ukuthi ndoda yazi bengukufuna iHotman yakhe ingafuni. Uyangithola ezinye izinto sesizizwa after ukuthi kushuthi le zinto bezikhona mara sitshelwa.
But khona abanye bona bayatshela bayahamba.
And bayangishaya labo sapula bayahamba bonhleko bayahamba wonke umuntu uyavaya kusala mina.
Manje that year
Yimi kuphela mfethu ungavayanga in that team yeCosmos.
unama
Mfethu.
But ikenzani mentally le?
Yeah.
I
Yo.
was not happy sense. I was not happy but you know what ngazitshela ukuthi yazini. Bakathanda lento ayidlozi lami leli.
Yeah, because ngiyalapho
Idlozi lami
vele.
leli.
So trithwa ngathi uyidlozi lala.
Yeah, idlozi lami leli. But at the end of the day what happened after that?
then but
Nothing happened.
lesikhathi so shaya rehab mara bekakunakekela.
Obviously ngine contract isalary ngizoyithola. Isalary ngizoyithola but ayikho inye into bekumele icontract is there. Isalary bekangayi well nefizo bengivaya. Because I was one of his best players.
Yeah.
But you know what? Via treatment awungincedile. It happened because the first injury ngayithola ku national team le yazi national team they look after you mau.
Yeah, no. That one
Lapho
is
it's standard.
yeah, standard.
The second one ile silima ngidlala ne Sundowns.
Yo.
But he looked after me after that.
Sisakhuluma ngemental because these things wena Jabune, some things can happen 20 years ago but still have an effect on you even today ukuthi
Nyakuthola yeah nyakubamba.
had they given me that opportunity life yami ngabe injani.
Could have been different.
I awubi nalawo ma moments lawo ukuthi but ish that day leya injury man leya ngabe or if uBraje bekangaya lama opportunities life yami maybe ngabe iso. Don't you have such moments?
No, I do sense namanje mfethu you know kunokucabanga uhlangane nabantu bathi emari wena bontswembu kuza kanjani ukuthi icareer yakhe izange iqhubeke njengabanye. Ama moments anjalo khona ukuthi I could have been far mfethu. Mina could have played overseas and overseas bengekho nzima ukudlala mfethu. Mina mangibengibhe ngoba besidlala nama team from Switzerland eza ngapha. Siyazambele siswini kule ngame lezi. Ngithi ngiyohlula yini ukudlala le. sile sadlala neBrøndby le eDenmark uChris Katong make sign
Yeah,
ngizambela mfethu IF yeah uyangithola bekulula but opportunities bewengekho or besincintshwa singatshelwa uyangithola that is serious Jabu. It's painful. It's painful, you know, knowing ukuthi abangani bakho they had an opportunity ukuthi bayodlala overseas when you were the only one who was left behind. Each chance you got it, but mawuso kumele uhambe uyalimala. Uyangithola.
But uke wam engage uBrache wena at some moment, even maybe mhlambe after so uyekile idisk or so uphumile Cosmos nje like iringasi nje utambara ukuthi manje la mara lapha nalapha.
Mina kuthi nje ngomunye umuntu different uyangithola. Maybe abanye bam engage mina I've always been this calm person ukuthi yazini whatever happened it happened.
Bayiyeke
It only
njalo.
happened for a reason. Yeah ngayeki njalo. Nawe yazi uBrache noma ngahlangana naye manje angeke ngimtshele ngalezo zinto zakudala. Ngizohleka ngalama jokes wakhe la. Yeah, lama jokes wakhe washaya. Ngihleke uthami. Ngisiphumele.
Mara benzwana besides nje lezi zinto.
No bezwana. Apply.
Because yena ineringasi ingwenya.
No kakhulu. Akuhlunga. Ya uzwana mamele bezwana.
Yeah.
I problem ukuthi yilezi nginyane ezincane angithola.
Liza ngabi honest angabanga honest kuwe.
Mina I could have went overseas obviously. Ngiyakutshela mfethu ayikabi. Mina kumele ngihambe.
Manje sika ngifuna manje ukujisa ngiyazi uzolaka makuyivikile eneChiefs ngoba ngiyakhumbula sidlala nani nami sengimangele ukuthi wena so uyamaka ngikhumbula angisazi
akusile Coca-Cola
ngathi angisakhumbula ngathi akusile Coca-Cola ngathi khona le yase Ellis Park man wathi wena sihlale ebusuku masingena inyenye blind le ikhotman lami idamba yabona lo yangijwayele sikumele ngigijimisane nawe
tshela what transpired that day
ngifuna because uyakhumbula waba open kimi wena wangitshela siqala wadami ngathi nami amara ukuthi manje vele wena umapensela wena so manje so uyagijimisa wena kwenzakaleni
ngangidinekile that day yazi kwenzakala ngitshela story what happened that day basidlala nani Ellis Park unenkinga la baba uyaswetha mfethu ehotel bafethu lentwana lini ayibona inzima ngithi ujabu ngithe otayi bafethu ngicela umuntu ozovolunteer ozomaka lentwana ngithi angikho lapho mina ngiyodlala ibhola mina
uyodlala ibhola wena
uLebo Umrula orla
Ngiyamkhumbula
rest in
uLebo,
peace.
yes.
Asukumisa isandla athi nginike lentwana kunenye bathi usizwe ekhubheka athi
Ukhumbula kahle
abamele
Sizwe.
usizwe young boy
ngiyamkhumbula
aggressive ejimini ushaya ibhathi athi angiyazicelela Brache akadlali lo muntu ngaleso sikhathi
ngiyakhumbula vele beyiwa
first game yakhe
Yeah.
ufuna ujabule ngathi phela icareer yalomfana sharp siye mina vele ngithi angeke ngimake mina ngidlala ibhola Brache sada ngiyadlala lapho ngidlala khona or ngidlala one of the two sharp ngidlala yimi noSapulo sidlala center Sizwe makujabule ke
Uzicelele.
awucelele
ayintwana
yathi first 5 minutes lo muntu bakachayisana namabhodi usizwe
ngimkhumbula kahle
uyakhumbula le game
ngikhumbula
la game umfana
ngishisa kakhulu bengishisa ngiyamkhumbula strong guy
afika konke nabo jump phela lapha and jump akashaya ibhathi phela
ebekaphulana indaba lo bengafuna ukudlalela kuye ngoba ayiloya
mara
bekana
wamhlula la half time uJay wathi angeke ngiyakukhipha wena uzofa ngeke uphinde udlala ibhola ukubulala lento athi awuzokubulala uJabu mfana namhlanje ke izona nala level izona nala level
save mfana ngithi uzofela ground
wagcina lapho ukudlala mfana
Sweet beka direct ngaleyo ndlela uBrache ukhuze kufana nokuthi phela
bekamkhuze angamprotector njenge time ukuthi intwana awuzophela ngeke uphinde uyaphela uzokubula uJabu uyashisa ngapho phethu uthaba uphethu uthabanga
phethu nomvethe lapha
phethu nomvethe uyangithola le front mamela abengeke ubuye Ellis Park igcwele ithi tsi mfana Usizwe wacisha wafa that day cisha yaphola nami
and then sharp ukuthi man then uvaya kanjani ke kuCosmos manje mase sophuma ku Cosmos soya ku Winners
Winners
Park ne
Park,
and
yeah.
base beku NFD ne
NFD.
yeah then
Yeah.
leyo transition iza kanjani
Yeah, no.
ne decision yokuthi uthi
Ukuthi ngihamba.
manje phela uya
Ngeke
lower
ngidowngrade,
yeah
No, what happened? I it's relegated. The first time Cosmos relegated.
oh
Remember,
yes yes
I think our last game, Saslan and Leopards, Ogni. It's nearly draw.
le okni yes
Ogni, which you see.
save status
Yeah.
yes
A shuffle.
iphetha bobani ngelo sikhathi le pass
Marion Shong.
yeah ushiyamkhumbula ushona yeah
Yeah, Nechisive, ubani lomunye lo.
uJerry yeah squiviri
Squiviri.
yeah
I think no Spoko bekasesera or bekasakuchiefs angisakhumbula.
I think bekasasela yeah udlaminisi
Mara mamela khohle Leopards beyiza mfethu.
no nabo bebanethi mara dala man wena masisakhuluma ngala
Ah,
before
beyisa.
uzongena mara dala ama team noma okay bekuthiwa they are like so called
So
small
small teams.
I mara khot man competition
No,
beyikhona and I team ne-team beneyitaza khona like honestly speaking
No,
so
100%.
it's different yamanje why manje ku dominate only one team or two teams for so many years
Mina ngi-understand.
umehluko ubona yini problem or yini into different hot man because like ubongayana kubo Ria Stars bothola bothapelelo yawo
Yeah.
uthola bothabang libisi abasesela
Uthola
thaba bolakile
bo- Joyce
khwati
Rob.
abo Joyce Rob
Yeah.
like team ina 3-4 like top players noma kuthiwa ni small team mara nathi siyicheese besazi hey madoda uClint
Maphumeleli.
ubani manje hey madoda
Ziyabuya.
hey say hey mabedi hey you must be hard yini umehluko Hotman before ngena kule nto Winners Park just nje
Yeah.
ukuthi why manje ama team nalawa called so called mancane
Yeah, man.
but they don't have that competition ebeyifana
I think
Nangalesa sikhathi.
honestly speaking, I think the
Ngokubona nje
quali-
kwakho
the
nje, your view.
quality is minimal manje. Ayisekho la quality le sasinayo ngaleso sikhathi. Well, ama player khona manje.
yeah
Hayi man mangicabanga nini mangibheka nini sodlane super sport ngithi usense.
exactly
Ngibulala ngala
yeah
last
hey
year. Sesiyazi ukuthi ubani.
Yeah.
Manje mfana ayisekho la thing. Ayisekho honestly speaking. Ngibheka abo team abo Arrows ngibheka abo Sikhukhune ngibheka abo Magesi. Average.
yeah into that's
Wonke
why
umuntu
ngithi-
average la balingana pha kanti teamini kuyafuneka kube na 3 nyane engathi iqinile uyangithola yiyo ezofaka laba ukuthi
Yiyo ezofaka, yeah, yeah.
and ngalezi inkathi ama team ethu vele bekuna 3-4 nyane
into
eqinile
engishoyo wonke so
Yeah.
all the 18
Super
teams
Sport
at the
wazi
time,
ukuthi
yeah.
kunabo Fire abo Russell
Yesh.
abo Sense
Yesh.
abo bani baqinile uyazi ukuthi kuyosetshenzwa
Kuyosipana.
kunalezi ke ezikapayo bokhobani ke
Yeah.
uyangithola
Balance.
ku balance manje wonke umuntu uso
Akusho ukuthi because
or
sometimes
yini ama scouting yethu is different or ngalesa sikhathi
Yeah.
mara ngalesa sikhathi bekungascout man or nginamanga
yazi mhlambe in my view I think manje angazi or kusayiwe emakasi njengacala
I don't think so
or sekubhekwa ku
Anybody-
YouTube i5 minutes umuntu phela ku YouTube ngiyayishaya i5 minutes
Yeah.
video la ngenza
Bese
izinto ezigrand
nalento ama agent
nge5 minutes
mfethu lema into ama agent ilulela ibhola kakhulu ke
Usho kanje, ne?
yeah iliqedile because yibo abaphusha umqondo ukuthi sign player lami insimbi yabona imali problem
then uzogaya
yeah
kangaka
ngizokunika into
uzogaya kangaka
yeah
azokwazi
bacanga ukuthi asazi bayadabula la
yeah vele siyazi vele
yeah
yeah.
kuyathengiswa lapha ku PSL
That's why namanje-
noma ngeke sikhulume mara siyazi ukuthi kunamunye ama player wabonayo ukuthi lo muntu akadeserve ukudlala ku PSL kunamanye ama player wabona ekasi uyobukela ikasi football ukuthi lentwana mali kuza kanjani ngayidlala ku PSL
because ayazi izibani and kubo akunansimbi
Akunansimbi, ayina agent. yeah akunamuntu ozoyiphushela itikiti layo uyangithola
into esibusele
iyalibulala idiski lethu
Mara don't you think enye into mfethu is maybe us the retired footballers ukuthi we are no longer as involved.
oh
that's another thing
You understand
That's
that because
another thing.
we've taken a back seat and we've allowed our agents, like you are saying, people who've never kicked the ball to go
Yes.
and bring players for these teams while we're sitting at home waiting for employment. You understand?
No, true.
That's one thing that I see ama ex-footballers are doing. We are not involved in football. Ekas lakho ntwana maybe uhlala wherever. There's intwana ezidlalayo mfethu. Awenzi next. Go egroundini or ubukela ama game recruit labo odlala khona we know ngithi basivalela ngaphandle but you can go labo odlala khona akhona intwana entswembu emnandi so uyivayise That can make a difference.
mara sense ngiyayizwa le khuluma mara ikhona na leyo room
That's the biggest question.
ikhona ngiyayizwa lento but ikhona na leyo
Into
room
ikhuluma ivar ntwana.
yeah
Mina ngiyakusupport 100% ukuthi sikhona sihleli singahamba siyubheka ukuthi amane intwana inzima. Mara ubani ozovuma uSipho Siphala lethi intwana ukuthi le ntwana imnandi ayivumele. Bazokubheka kanje labantu labo. Ngitshela ivar. Bazothi
yeah that's why ngibuzile nami sense angazi nawe ngicela
dala
uphawule
sibafonela
Yeah.
mfethu. Uthi nje sometimes namagama wafunela.
Yeah.
Dala sibafonela ukuthi amani kunentwana esongicela uyibheke.
You know, mina what I do. Yes,
Kuba ngathi umuntu angazi
Bona labo dlale nabo.
abasibada
Sabada. Iba bazokutshela kahle ukuthi le maybe siyasangana le. Thina senze wenzani uthini? Ngebe ngisho ngeke bayi-return nokuyi-return call yakho.
yeah that's another yo futhi vele ehle ngabe bamnoni
And it's
bamba
discouraging.
And ama-player odlale nawo. Phela no ama-player a-coacha most yabo. Yilama player.
Ama-player sidlale nawo.
Yeah. Age group yethu well sasenabo Gavin ke.
Obviously,
Isikhathi
yeah.
sabo
Sisiya,
sesiyancipha kancane.
yeah,
Sekungena lezi ngithola. Mara bona labo nabo abanaqiniso. Sabathathe kulama time wakudala labo coach.
yayibona iproblem ke
But mina, I think nakhona futhi it's another thing. Issue ye skin. Thina bodaki don't like to help each other.
Definitely.
Mangujabu
yeah lapho ya into
angeke
enkulu
ngize you know what I've done mina I do this thing yokuthatha intwana egazi ngivayise super sport sesene super sport anga futhi angenzi necall I just take a player
Thathe nje.
mangifika ngithi coach nali player
Yeah.
uyangithola but I know ukuthi some of these coaches what they do especially wabodaki that's why I respect to Pitso Misi man will take intwana egazi I sign straight direct
Yeah.
but ama coach wethu wabodaki abakho brave enough they will want ukuthi kuze kube nomlungu ozo approve aloko mfethu umuntu alithanda iplayer ethu ngithatha intwana maybe ezi3 lapha I've never taken a player mina baljimise 1-2 days baljikise bazolihlalisa 3 weeks 4 weeks
Yeah.
uyabona ukuthi there's something
babona
obvious.
something
But
But ukuthi
decision.
uslula ukuthatha idecision
Ukuthi no ngiyayisayina le.
uyangithola
Eish,
omunye yazi ngamenzani uthi ungavayisa intwana wathi hayi kugcwele ini ngabamba enye agent bengisipana naye engamla ngathi mfethu ngicela ungivayisele le ntwana laphi mayifike lapha wayifaka umthaka yajima mari awuthe ngidlale nayo mfethu uyanderstand issue yethu eza abodaki
mara
ex-footballers
footballers kanjani lisho ngoba ayicala ukukhulunywa le issue le
mfethu,
nama
it's a
ngifuna
problem,
nama ngifuna ukumention amagama kunama Grootman ngisho siyadlala ngama legends nani yabo vele amajita ayakhala abanye umunye na ucoacha iChiefs umunye ucoacha amaZulu umunye ucoacha ini mara akabamba ama calls wami ucabanga umuntu ngiphila naye bengilala naye
Njalo.
sidlala like that gents sickness
Sickness
isifo
yabodaki,
gents isifo lesi
angithi umuntu yazi uba nani uba nento ukuthi mina I went to coaching school uJabu uyavela ulethi play wazini ngama player yabona le this mentality ngathi wena awusalazi ibhola
yeah nyaka
as
ndasele
soon as
yeah
mina ngivaya ngoshaya coaching course yami so I see myself as a superior to everyone manje nina manifika you don't know anything about football that's the mentality
Certificate jaba sport talent. Ungayisport talent mfethu wena ungenaso certificate. Iplayers sibuye gazi siyawazi ama players.
Exactly,
Siyalibona
bwana.
iplayer ukuthi leli mnandi.
imnandi le
Thathe nje unike chance mfethu. Mawuthandile uthandile mangalithandanga sharp sika hayi ntwana le I don't think imnandi. Ngizo accept ngoba at least ngizamile I've tried ukuthi
Yeah.
you know what
Yeah.
pushela intwana zasekasi ukuthi nazo zibe mnandi.
and ngitshele
Because
futhi
idisk ekasi likhona abafethu.
and ngitshele futhi sense ukuthi yazini ilekhala la ngicela siphi nje ubibuyela le ngicela ukuthi uyitshele ukuthi improve la nami
Nje.
ngitshelina uyabona manje nawe uyayamakha
Nawe seyithatha mfethu
Yeah.
uthatha leso sikhathi sakho
yeah
unyana
kuthendwa asilungise
le yanto
because nayo into kumele ilunge manje
Nje.
ayikho nale nto iphelela nje lapho hayi asimsayina simdone life goes on
abakuvalela ngaphandle straight
mina nyawazi nama Grootman vele amanye anawo ama badge noma athi ufuna ukuyorecommenda mina ngithi teammate jo umuntu odlala naye 6 years win trophies together namhlanje he doesn't answer your calls because yena now is a
Yeah,
opportunity
umnandi,
if yecala kunaye
phezulu.
kunalo muntu
Nami-
but you are both coaches nama badge no two hayi bafethu hayi
Nama I've got the same problem
inzima.
same problem wena Jabu
Yo.
same problem mina I ended up manje not you know what angikho involved with football
because
Mina
bengizokubuza
ngiyokubukela.
vele later on
No, I'm not involved in
ukuthi
football
awucoach
Ah,
wawayenza ama
nothing.
badge man.
Yes, ngayenza i-CAF license B mina. La FN sabhadela uPitso. La eSafa House. Sacala nabo boAta boMendu sonke sayenza sonke.
Ha
Caf
sipho.
Yeah, la eSafa House.
Uhleli nayo
Sabhadela
phansi.
uPitso
Uhleli nayo phansi ukuthi manje yami ndayile.
phansi.
Yo.
Nabo Mendu sonke.
Yeah.
Uyabona le ire siceda ukuretire. Bohlono loSiyema. Bayithathela Faklu Davis.
Jo.
Bese sonke la umuntu waphuma wadla phansi ngazi oy maybe zicimile ibalo utso.
Uvilakazi.
Yeah. Mlifensole ngicho. Azange bayicede because. Azange
Bekunyiwa.
anga understand.
I understand.
Simphiwe Dludlu size yokuqala. Uye she was there. Lo ku
Yeah.
lento ku super sport.
Yeah, ngiyambona yeah.
Simphiwe Dludlu.
Aplaza umnandi vele.
Mnandi.
Yeah,
And
umnandi.
naye vele ke bekamnandi vele
No,
coaching wise.
ngispanile nami naye.
Uyalazi la
Yeah.
mntwana.
No, awuthiyami.
Yeah.
Nami ngispanile naye na
Yabo
Super Sport
ufikile.
nase SABC. Hayi nantwana
No,
hayi
mnandi,
naye.
ibhola
Hayi
yakhe.
hayi mamela yena makakhuluma.
yakhe,
Hayi makakhuluma ntwana kuyazwakala. Yeah,
Siyenze
kuyazwakala.
sonke.
Ju.
Siyonke ngitshela ivalo.
Ntwana
Mara mina angihleli naye lo B.
awusena interest, awusena need.
Next.
Yo, then
No interest.
Khotmane masibuyela okay so decide kuya ku Winners Park lower league obviously nenyuku yoba yancane
Yeah.
nani ize kanjani le I mean azange ube nalento eish manje ayinyohlekwa ukuthi seka phela uyazi la ikasi kunjani
Yeah.
i-NFD league yes it's a lower league but mawusuka ku Premier League uya kulo efethu unokuhlewa ngathi wenze enye into wrong enkulu.
There's nothing.
And it's still professional
Football is
football.
football.
It's
That's what-
regarded
that's
as
my
pro
point.
football.
Yeah,
That's
it's
what I'm
under
saying.
PSL.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying but kube vele kube ngathi so wena kwenza leyo journey ize kanjani and abantu ba react kanjani and
Kahle Mshavulana kuze ngiye ku Winners Park. You know what happened? Masicede ku relegate uyakhumela bengisakutshela
Yeah, niya relegate.
relegate yo Cosmos Sharp. Siyaphuma sihamba. Ubra J uyangitshela ukuthi indoda ku NFD ngifuna uzodlala ku Cosmos. Ngithi Sharp Bra J. Angina stress mina sizokhuluma. Ngithola ukuthi
Yeah.
ufuna wehle nami ngithi hayi sizoyicela.
Yeah.
Sharp ngithole opportunity. Unhleko ingasikhatha usayina ku Riding. You remember Unhleko was there. Wasana ku Thanda Zulu Royal. Ngiyayikhumbula.
ngiyakhumbula ithanda
Yabo
lama team
Bennett Parker. Angithi Bennett Parker bekuyingwenya la vele bebedlala.
yeah
Sharp. Unhleko uyala uyasana la. Unhleko angizamele opportunity ngivaye nyo bangibheke nje 2 days. Cabanga basabheka. Ngidlala iPSL isikhathi eside basafuna ukubheka.
uyatrayela kahle kahle
2 days. Unobanda Iron Gorowa nale coach engami la lebithanda uBennett Parker. Ngisayazi ngikhohliwe manje
Yeah,
bebuya bomani.
Bebuya overseas. Bengazingosi yaka Sven Eriksson.
Yena leyo.
Yeah.
Yes. Sharp ngiye la 2 days. Mfana ngivalelwe ngaphandle. Sengithola icall ukuthi andoda bathi wena ungasingakusayina.
ibuya phi lo call
Ang understand awuthami. Hey yazi. Kuthi hayi bathe singakusayini wena. Sengithola after mina ukuthi hayi ndoda lapho kuthanda Zulu uvalelwe ngaphandle
99
Kusho ukuthi bebafuna ukukusayina.
Bebefuna ukungisayina ngoba bengimnandi vele. Bebengena next lapha. Umuntu bebenaye lapha uBennett Parker kuphela the rest bebefile mfethu. Yeah. Ngoba baqeda ukusayina noChipa ungadla uye uzodlala phambili.
yeah
Bafile laba. That's why yazange last la team. Bebefile mfethu. Ngangisayina kanjani ku team eso. Elasanga na 2 season that team if you can recall. Thanda Zulu. Sharp mina sengitshela ukuthi hayi ndoda bathe singakusayina ikho into soyenza.
and then
Bayagibela bangibhukela i-flight ticket ngabuye ekhasi. Ngathi yazini ngiyaretire mina hayi. Lento ebhola ngiyiyeka ngisabuyeli nale Cosmos.
kuthi kumjomani ya
Ngisabuyeli ngiyiyeka mina lento le.
Yeah.
Ngiyiyeka.
Jesus
Ngitshela ivara ngathi ngiyiyeka lento le. Sadlala ibhola.
then iWinners Park
Hlele endlini lapha sengiziblomele ne.
so zenzele izinto zakho so uya adjust manje
Sengiya-adjusta.
yeah ukuthi manje hayi
Yeah.
angisaphili lempilo kwemacampini nokweji
Uyangifrustata.
yeah so uya adjust
Sengifonela nenye ingane nami kunenye ingane yami le Rowan Malgu. Sengihlanganise nenye ingane yami uShoni seyikareni oza mfethu so sizophusha spam yabona.
uzosebenza yeah
Sengiya-adjust.
yeah
Fonela uSilo Choko. Uyi-owner Winners Park udoctor la uthi.
yeah
Hey ndoda man i-team yami iyafa. Hey what. Hayi man ngiyazi uhlele ekhaya uzosinceda.
no
Uyangithola.
Mara ukuconvince kanjani okay ngiyazi ukuthi hey uzosinceda mara wena phela so adjust manje so wenza yabona so
angakaqali le ikare sahleli khona ngithi ngizoya ayi ngithi yazini ngibuyele ebholeni ngibuza insize yami ngenzeni ngibuyele athi hayi man uyalithanda ngithi bayodlala maybe season yokugcina
yeah maybe yeah mhlambe izokwazi ukuthi uma uyivale nawe yes
sharp ngithi okay sab ngizodrive ngiyazwakala ngizoza bekuyi Saturday manje ngifona ngithi ngizozwakala Sunday sizokhuluma ngizodlala sizoringa ngoba le phone yangithi
yeah
siye ngifike ngihlale ngiringe naye angitshela ukuthi indoda inyoku kanje eklapha yena imali ngithi uzonginika malini mfethu athi mfethu uzokunika 25 ngithi hey mara bafethu NFT mara well ithi ngiyithatha
NFT
season ngiyabazwela nalo ithi ngiyithatha fele sen downgrade vele mara naye izokashapesha
ngiyabazwela
ithi ngiyithathe wena
ngishawayile leyo line hayi ngiyabazwela
ithi ngiyithatha ngiyithathe ke ngishap ngibuye ke ekhasi ngilanda into zami Tuesday ngikhuphuke sengiya ngihlangana nalama coach wakudala ngiyazi ngikubani basayina bani after lapho
basayina bani
uInnocent Mayoyo
kanti undike na
bengidlala against yena la muntu wangithi badlala ku Ria Stars uvimba la ku Pirates ukula ngidlalile against yena ngimkore nokumkora mase sifika le kuwina sibakujikela mina hayi mara yazi bafethu abantu ama coach wakudala mfethu bewene problem enhle kama ex players wakudala bethi mabengena ku coaching abe ne problem
mina asinokuyikhuluma senzi yabona ingcono micro generation yabo sinokuyikhuluma sithi amakhotmani jo ababula dipilo awuthaka abashap
I believe ukuthi mina mawune khotmani teamini yakho build a team around him
yebo
le ntwana zenze you must be an example kule ntwana ungalwisi lo growth wena usitshela le ntwana lezi zokuncanya mama ezinye ziyakuhlonipha le ntwana lezi and wena uboni uyangithola angifera uma yoyo mfethu ulwisa mina ngitshela uChoko ngithi mamela mina ngidlale nala uthi le plus vele bengingafuni ukudlala Disney uma yoyo yasesela mdlali
uyatoto yana
ngamtshela straight mina ngikhuluma ivarti ngithi le team le ngeke ibuye this year izorelegate Mountain Mayoyo ugijimisa abafana eintabeni uyayibiza Mountain Mayoyo ngithi angigijime entabeni dala ngidlala ibhola mina ibhola yami ngiyayimanage bathi uyadela ngithi mawukhuluma kanjani
and bathi uyadela
and so road vele kumanage
vele
mele umanage
ngigijima intaba weekend kumele ngidlale 90 minutes isimba ukhathele ngipapa ngidabula amamasili kwenza ngihlola nje manje mawukhuluma nalento and umuntu udlala against yena uyangithola uzitshela ukuthi Khotmani ithi sicoce ulusa wena I doesn't want to listen to me akafuna ukujima uyangidelela utshela uChoko ukuthi mina ngamtshela uChoko ngathi it's fine ngani clearance sami ngihambe or nginika into yami ngihambe
then uvaye kanjalo
uChoko wathi hayi no mfana ngiyacela sipho hlala bekuyithi autograph la doctor athi amamela chubeka mfethu ujime noma angakudlalisi it's fine ngasijimela ngangadlali ngisengimele isizini iphele mina by 25 yami Saturday mabedlala after game driver ngiyabuya ngizobona ifamily ngihamba Monday ekseni ngabo 4 driver ngiyabuya besengenzi kwi life yami Mayo bamxosha after 3 months team iyabhethe so maybe second from last siyashawa bacela ukuthengisa lentwana uNdumiso Mabhena Pirates
yes
yiyo beyiskorela mangifika la mina beyiphaswa yimi lentwana yibe iskorela ceda ukuthengwa iPirates asenamuntu ushayinet asenamuntu ushayinet yabhetha abasithela induku sewuleseke bamxosha Mountain Mayoyo ahambe gone sengiyadlala ke manje Choko sakafuna mina ngidlala siyacala siya pick up i-team ingarelegate save
mfethu
ngenxa ukuthi lo yaba if ngiyakutshela if that guy was there ngabe yahamba la team lento ukuthi ama coaches wakudala anama problem nama player adlale nawo problem le
Hayish.
it's a problem
So
ngathi umuntu ngoba udlale naye because awuka retire wena bese uba ne problem
yeah, and ufuna manje ukumfinish ukuthi uyiplayer wena usaseplayer.
kanti akahle mamela uzokubonisa ke naye ukuthi no nami ngihotman uyangithola that was the situation between mina noMayo ukuthi angisintwana mina ngihroti ukuthi nje you had a chance ukuthi ungicoach wena mara ngidlala against wena ngikore nokukora wena
So isizini mayiphela.
sizi maphela I think uChoko wayibhayisela the owner ePulukwane
Oh.
uJohn Mkhaladi
Okay, yes.
yeah manje i-team semele imove iye kuJohn
I
I think iBay
Oh, iBay.
yeah kuBay uJohn wayithenga wayishintsha abayiBay
Waba iBay United.
yeah
Oh.
so manje kuyahanjwa kuya APE ngathi angilapha
Yeah, manje ayilapho yeah no.
ake leke hayi
Yeah, ngiyayivala.
hayi ichayile ngibele endlini nginomfazi wami le nginabantwana bami ngashaya imoto ngayijuza ngabashana neclearance sesekubo
Yeah, efethu asivale. Asivale.
anginidi boss ngisa angisadlala
Sense asivale fethu bamela ukuthi mana mokugcina.
Yeah.
Once you take njenge national team yethu and the current nje PSL overall nje mase sisivala you comment nje ukuthi uyibona kanjani improve kuphi disk yethu mhlambe mele improve kuphi
yeah lethi sicela nge PSL ntwana I think there's a lot that needs to be done la PSL njengoba besikhuluma earlier on kunama team adominate ku PSL Pirates Sundowns Chiefs lamanye ke okay inkinga right we need to see competition asitholi competition enjalo la ku PSL like kudala there was a competition manje ayisekho ubheka iPremier League manje uthola ama team aba Nottingham Forest mfethu hamba lokubo 3rd 4th phezulu last season la ku PSL angeke wathola lama team amancane hamba lapha kuhlala kudominate Pirates Sundowns okay Chiefs nayo inokuthi ibuye ithi yangithola ibe yoyonyana ibuye mara nayo inokucina nyana yangithola mara lama team lamancane mfethu ayastruggle and I think ibhola lethu needs to improve a lot. I think we need to get more quality players mfethu. We need to get lama coach la besikhuluma ngawo yani eKasi bafethu nofuna ama player akhona ama player eKasi nasemaplazini akhona ama player
exactly yeah
hayi Soweto kuphela or Davidton or Foslo ngisho mfethu nale emakhaya there's lots of players that have got talent kuthi nje asena abantu abasport ama talent lento ama agent le iyalibulala ebhola lethu because manje bathatha ama player wabo laba wathandayo bayise basayinisa inkomo ize ifike ihlalele ihole mahala ingayenzi next i-team yazi usozwa next week badlo umuntu usayine uhambile agent saka sign kwenye i-team baya rotateana konje uyangithola yafana nama coach ku PSL ay rotateana lo mayisuka la uyale mayisuka ku Durban United saka ku Stellenbosch uyabuza ngaphethu so uyahamba wonke ama province abayi bayothola ni chance kanti so it's the same thing that it's happening with also the players nama coach wethu mfethu aya rotate too much sometimes football needs change
yeah no that's true
you need change in football ukuthi team yakhe progress yabona nangu Chiefs I'm happy with Chiefs there was a little bit of change since le out ivile at least nalentwana encane seziyangena manje ziyadlala yabona bomfundo sekune something yana yangithola I'm not saying that out is a good coach or is a bad coach but ngithanda lento yenzayo ukuthi at least uyazinika lentwana encane opportunity ukuthi zidlale
and then bafana ntwana we've got ama player lapha improvement ikhona I mean uYugo Bros mina ngeke ngimsole sometimes nginokuzwa labafana laba bakhuluma botsobo abolento bakhuluma la mango abo la umsangano lo bawukhuluma hey yabona leyo ndaba hey
yangidina mina right because bona they were once players why bathanda ukriticize kanje ingathi azange abadlali ibhola uYugo Bros mfethu uthathe le team ingekho ifile
hey ndoda
let's give credit where is due mfethu he tried siphume ku semi-final nini
the previous
AFCON semi-final or final ntwana semi-final
sibo number 3
yes bronze cabanga from last year siqualify ku-World Cup sagcina nini
Ngo-2002 I was part of that team, Korea
team
Japan.
yenu Korea Japan
How many years?
2010 singene ngokuthi besingama-host
Asibali.
bese manje niyaya nina niyohlala le kule podcast yenu yabo June nikhulume lento niyikhulumayo ukuthi hey Hugo Bros must retire must resign manje no
Eish.
hayi
bafethu.
ngibhlungu mfethu
Yeah.
mina mangizwa ngithi that's why thina singafuni ukuba involved into zebhola because inkulumo ezi mina ngifuna ukriticize ama player weDisk wase South Africa because ibhola lethu mfethu improvile ku national team like it or not bayakhuluma or abakhulumi we have improved now kusodlala World Cup next year this access ku
year.
2026
Yeah, seku 26.
this year ngoJune siya ku World Cup
Hayi,
bathini
bafethu.
ngaloko
Hayi, siyabonga bafethu.
Jabu before uyivala man.
Afana ngeke mfana ukuzongishanga amakhiki. Afana
Ubheka
mfana uyamazi ngale yakhiki yakhe mfana. Hayi mfana no. Awukelethe mfana.
yeah
No,
sure
there's something man engiyibonile nje ngiyazibuza ukuthi ama player kusho ukuthi achangile ukwenzakalani. We no longer see media portray ama player like for instance every Sunday we buy iphepha.
Yeah.
Mujabu Pule,
Yes.
Yeah.
stories or Junior Kanye or Bani on the front page for doing the wrong things. Manje ayisayenzakali kakhulu. Maybe it was uSipho Mbule in recent years but most of these players manje ayisayenzakali lento le. Do you think lama player are more educated than us generation yethu or they are protected by media or by
Ama
by
teams,
the structures
even
ama
ama
teams
teams itself.
protector? What's your thought?
I think ama teams ayaba protect. The media has got nothing to do ne protection. The media ndoda mawubhethe uyabhetha izokuqeda.
Yeah.
Like it or not, bazokubulala laba.
Unless uyabakhafa.
Unless uyabhatala
Usebenzisana
or
nozibani-bani.
unomuntu
Yeah.
okhona ukukhuluma
Ophezulu,
naba
yes.
abhatale. Mara bona abanazwelo mfethu.
Hey, mina
Do
ngazi
you think they are
kahle.
protected by our team?
I think ama team nalama agent mhlawumbe bayaba protect. I'm not too sure sense ukuthi ba mara I'm thinking mina ukuthi ama team ayaba protect ukuthi ndoda masiguy contract yila sifuna ukuthi udlale kule team for ama right reason. Asifuna ukubona into zakho sibhetha. Mangabe uyabhetha sizokusideline or i-contract yakho sizoyiterminate into enjalo. Maybe kunento ezibabhindayo labafana because njengoba ukhuluma asayibonde yanto le.
Mara
very
siyabonga.
rare.
Does it
But-
mean abasayenzi lento leyo?
Bayenza mara
Bahlonipha
bayasifihla
ama-contracts
manje. Bayasifihla.
Or they respect
Hayi ukuthi
themselves?
abayenzi.
But yazi chance
Bayasifihla,
ikayi2 bayasifihla but abanye siyababona they go kuma night clubs namanje but we won't mention their names
Yeah.
basadlala sifuna ukuba ngathi sinekwala but la mina ngizokutshela in my personal view ngizwile yakasiwe mina ntwana ngizokutshela basayenza na no njengoba ngisho I don't want to mention basayenza thuba babshaya like
Kamnandi
strong
kabi,
like
right.
strong ngiyakutshela mina I know but I don't
Yeah,
know
that's protected
yeah
by our teams.
thank you.
Ama team yaba protect. Nama
Thank you.
I still say that ba protect ama team or ba bind ama contract. Ukuthi mawenza into ebhedayo say terminate contract yakho awutholi into yakho awutholi. So they are
Yes.
melu usicoce na
Ah.
ukuthi indoda sengiphela ibukubuku selikhona.
Selikhona yeah
Yeah ukuthi masengenza into eblind kanje sabazongithathela yonke lento le I think isiphathe kahle.
Hey but siyafisa and we hope ukuthi bazoziphatha kahle
Baziphathe kahle.
but hey abaningi hey siyababona mfethu basabudla
Bona
njengathi
basayenza mfethu.
yeah hayi basabudla njengathi but it's fine it's a joking for another thing.
Yeah sure.
We understand angeke sithi siyemele siba expose no impilo yabo if they basaba protector inkinga ukuthi once I team or whoever protector yena basengasafuni uyak expose ibhlungu nje lapho but mabasa benefit they will protect you but masibona bangasakufuni yibo abafuthi bathumele I story ku newspaper ukuthi hayi seku right
bazokuceda.
sesikhathele uye now nayi
Bazokuceda.
lali file bese bayakushaya but it's fine chance that was Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis siyabonga spaghetti khutmani yami hayi ngiyakela yaringa le
Intwethu mfethu.
Yeah.
Ibhola intwethu.
Siyabonga.
Sikhulume sometimes.
Yeah.
Akusadlali.
Yeah.
Siyathi chance yethu ukuthi silicoce manje.
siyabonga khutmani ukusivakashela ku
Siyabonga mina,
GMTS bafethu that was Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis shuffling Diski Ringers sonibona bafethu adios danko
It's a rap.
Yebo.
Sivale.
sebayazi ntwana ntwana bayakena bafethu
Siphinde, boy.
siyanicela ke Hey, iboss yami ngale behind the camera. Mina ngiyamtshela ukuthi seniyasazi, seniya-subscribe. Mara yazini, please bafethu sicela subscribe, share and hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates ezeJabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Shuffling Diski Ringers. Danko. Siyancanywa bafethu.
uyabona isiphali mina nami ngumahlangu bafethu biological biological
Mahlangu.
ithama lami uJabu Mahlangu I think niyamazi beka ku ACs that's my biological father
Hawu.
but manje ngoba iole lami lishato kaSiphali ngavela la ngithanda ngidlala icareer yami yonke mina ngiwazi umuthi ngicela ukubona kuCosmos mina
Siyenza lapha.
Bakudelela ngapha babheke nebhodi ncane.
nebhodi bathi lesilanda lesi
Yeah. Plus amaqaqo
Yeah,
kuyazithi. I mean team yabo
yazi
yabelungu.
kunabobanda uBradley Canel kuno Lovers kuno Peter Gordon kuno
Yeah, all their generation
kuno Steve
le.
Barker ukuthi udlala kuVets ngapha ingamla ziyamncane
Ziyamncane.
simphelene ka phela Lovers washima the 626 estradini freeway aychayisile size ejimini waychayisa wayishiya la bambhayilenge bebemncanywa
Yeah, no ngiyakuthola vele nami
ngoba
ngabengeza.
bakakhuphuka phela Lovers
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
no mamela
Yeah, leyawuthi and bakafita
Mamela.
strong and yeah, ne
Power.
power. Yeah, no.
power running mfethu tackle wakhe beka strong
Shawuzwakala, yeah.